So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And now once we're here, you want to type in chkdsk space and you want to type in the drive letter of the drive that's getting this problem. For me, it's going to be my C drive, so I'm going to type in C colon. You want to type in your drive letter and then put a colon. Space /F space /R and then click on enter. It should then start running a scan for you. If the scan does not run, it's going to be saying this. If this comes up, you want to type in Y and then click on enter. It's then going to tell you to restart the computer, which will then run the scan for you. After you complete that scan, the problem should be fixed. So if the scan did not already start running for you here, you want to restart your computer. It's now restarting. It's going to be saying to skip this checking, press any key. Do not press any key. You do not want to press any key. Let all the seconds load. It's now going to start running this scan. Once you complete this scan, it will take you back into Windows and then hopefully this will fix your problem.